What's up, my beautiful bandits? Look, today I am coming to you live, and I want to talk to you about CRO. Crypto.com is a giant that is getting ready to wake up. It got beat down after all the terrible news about uh, centralized exchanges. Sorry, they're thinking about this, but the centralized exchanges got a lot of pressure put on them. Are they holding enough in reserves? Crypto.com has proved this over and over that they're holding more than enough in reserves. And look, let's face it, crypto.com is absolutely everywhere. Whenever you're looking anywhere, any basketball game, any football game, anywhere, arenas, they're all covered in crypto.com. UFC. Look, I feel that the giant of CRO is getting ready to wake up, and I'm going to share a couple things with you here to go over why I feel this way and why I think we should keep this on the lookout. All right, look, I'll zoom out here. This is the daily, and we can track this all down. I mean, you can see completely just got beat up from the highs up here, up in the 8.8 range, 88 cents, got beat down. And now, it's literally 1/10 of that price at 8 cents. Okay. So I'll zoom back out here and get down to this. So we're looking at this right here. So our price right now is 8 cents. Okay. So we're 1/10 of the highs. And, it might have went a little bit higher. But the reason why I keep saying this and why I want everyone to pay attention to this is everyone knows that CRO is a deal right now. People have been adding to their bags. They have been loading their HODL bags up, and they're waiting for the sluggishness to shake off of CRO. Okay. And I feel that it's about to happen. I really feel that there's been a lot of positive pressure coming out here, a lot of things happening, a lot of good consolidation. And I just want you to keep an eye. Put this on your little watch list. Start watching. I mean, we had a nice little push back up from here, and I think we're getting ready to do. We've already did a little consolidation. I think we're getting to break a little bit more up into the 10-cent range, and then we're going to get quickly back up here to the 12-cent range. So just keep your eye on this giant, okay? It's got a lot of power behind it, a lot of money behind it. It's paid a lot of its bills now for all of its advertising and bringing people in, and it's ready to roll. It's ready to pump again. And it's something definitely to talk about and to think about. If you don't mind, let me know your thoughts, what you think about CRO. But I've been hearing and talking to a lot of bullish people, and I think they got some news that they're getting ready to drop. So just keep an eye on everything. And I love you, bandits, and I hope you have a beautiful day. And continue to subscribe to the channel. We're still growing. We're at 21,000 subscribers and growing now. My goal this year is to get to 50,000, but of course, my overall goal is 100,000 subscribers, and just continue growth and continue to work for you and to bring you opportunity and information. Not a financial advisor. Do not buy anything based off of what I say, but definitely look at what I have to say. I've been in this a long time now, and we're doing this together, okay? Love you, bandits. Hope you have a great day, and I'll holler at you later.